George Road Car Park is a little project that we implemented over the past year. It's on a beach that has been severely eroded, and it's as a result of that erosion, the car park itself was being washed away. We, together with two of the property owners that have properties alongside that car park, put funding in to rebuild that car park, to pave it, and to protect it from the seawater coming through those dunes, off the beach into that area. This project was a good example of the kind of cooperation that we can do with local property owners to both improve the value of their properties as well as the amenities for everybody in St. Francis Bay.